In recent years, the veterinary world has seen significant advancements in flea and tick prevention for our beloved pets. These medications, known as isoxazolines, have revolutionized parasite control in dogs and cats. But what if these same drugs could be adapted for human use, potentially offering protection against tick-borne diseases and even malaria? This intriguing possibility has sparked interest in the medical community and could lead to groundbreaking developments in human health. Isoxazolines, marketed under brand names like NexGard, Bravecto, and Simparica, have become a staple in pet care. These drugs work by turning an animal's blood into a lethal meal for parasites. When fleas or ticks feed on a treated pet, the medication interferes with their nervous system, causing paralysis and death. This mechanism is highly effective and has significantly reduced the incidence of flea infestations and tick-borne diseases in companion animals. The science behind isoxazolines is fascinating. These compounds target specific chloride channels in the nerve cells of invertebrates. Normally, neurotransmitters like GABA or glutamate regulate these channels, controlling nerve signal transmission. Isoxazolines block these channels, disrupting the insect's nervous system. What makes these drugs particularly valuable is their selectivity. While both vertebrates and invertebrates have GABA receptors, the molecular structure of these receptors differs significantly between the two groups. This difference allows isoxazolines to be highly toxic to insects and arachnids while remaining safe for mammals. One of the most compelling reasons to consider adapting isoxazolines for human use is the rising threat of tick-borne diseases, particularly Lyme disease. As the most common vector-borne illness in North America, Lyme disease affects approximately 14% of the global population at some point in their lives. Climate change has exacerbated this issue by extending tick seasons and expanding the geographical range of tick populations. This environmental shift has led to an increase in both tick numbers and disease transmission rates. Moreover, ticks are not the only concern. These medications have shown promise in controlling mosquito populations, which could have far-reaching implications for combating diseases like malaria and Zika. Computer modeling studies have suggested that administering isoxazolines to just 1/3 of a human population could significantly reduce the incidence of these mosquito-borne illnesses. The potential benefits of human-adapted isoxazolines extend beyond Lyme disease and malaria. Research has indicated that these compounds could also be effective against human lice infestations. This versatility makes isoxazolines an attractive prospect for addressing multiple parasitic threats to human health. Despite the promising outlook, several challenges must be overcome before we see isoxazolines in human pharmacies. One primary concern is the potential toxicity to mammals. While these drugs are generally safe for pets, there have been reports of neurological side effects in some animals, including seizures and uncontrolled shaking. These incidents, though rare, highlight the need for extensive safety studies before human trials can begin. The development of human isoxazolines also faces unique hurdles in the pharmaceutical industry. Interestingly, this is a rare case where veterinary medicine has outpaced human drug development. The pet pharmaceutical market, being smaller and more streamlined, often allows for faster drug approval processes. Additionally, the shorter lifespans of animals make it easier to study the long-term effects of medications. Transitioning a drug from veterinary to human use is a complex and costly process. Researchers must conduct additional toxicology studies, determine appropriate human dosages, and understand how the human body metabolizes these compounds. These steps are crucial and time-consuming, requiring significant financial investment before human trials can even begin. Despite these challenges, progress is being made. A pharmaceutical company, Tarsus Pharmaceuticals, has already initiated Phase 2 clinical trials for a human isoxazoline medication. This drug aims to prevent the spread of Lyme disease and reduce mosquito populations in malaria-endemic areas. If successful, this could represent a significant breakthrough in preventive medicine for vector-borne diseases. The potential impact of human-adapted isoxazolines extends beyond individual health. By reducing the incidence of diseases like Lyme and malaria, these medications could have profound effects on public health systems worldwide. They could potentially decrease healthcare costs, reduce the economic burden of these diseases, and improve quality of life for millions of people living in at-risk areas. However, It's important to note that even if these drugs become available for human use, they would not replace existing preventive measures. Proper clothing, insect repellents, and regular tick checks would still be crucial components of protection against vector-borne diseases. Instead, isoxazolines would serve as an additional layer of defense, particularly for those at high risk or living in endemic areas. The development of human isoxazolines also raises interesting ethical and ecological questions. While reducing disease-carrying insect populations could have immense health benefits, we must consider the potential environmental impacts. Insects play crucial roles in ecosystems, and widespread use of these drugs could have unforeseen consequences on local and global biodiversity. As research progresses, it will be essential to conduct comprehensive environmental impact studies to ensure that the benefits of these drugs outweigh any potential ecological risks. This balance between human health and environmental stewardship will be a critical consideration in the future development and implementation of these medications. In conclusion, the potential adaptation of pet flea and tick medications for human use represents an exciting frontier in preventive medicine. While significant challenges remain, the promise of these drugs in combating vector-borne diseases is undeniable. As climate change continues to alter the landscape of infectious diseases, innovative solutions like isoxazolines could play a crucial role in protecting human health. The journey from pet medication to human drug is a testament to the interconnectedness of veterinary and human medicine. It highlights the importance of cross-disciplinary research and the unexpected ways in which advancements in one field can lead to breakthroughs in another. As we look to the future, the development of human isoxazolines serves as a reminder of the endless possibilities in medical research and the potential for innovative solutions to emerge from unexpected places. As research continues and clinical trials progress, we may be on the cusp of a new era in preventing vector-borne diseases. While it's too early to say definitively whether we'll be taking the same pills as our pets, the prospect is certainly intriguing. For now, we can appreciate the complex journey from veterinary medicine to potential human application and look forward to the results of ongoing studies. Who knows? In a few years, you might find yourself sharing more than just walks and playtime with your furry friend. You might be sharing a similar approach to parasite prevention as well.